if you're ready for tip number 1, go ahead and drop a 1 in the chat for me. So the first thing that I want you to be mindful of is asking clarifying questions. Now, why is asking clarifying questions important? Because sometimes we think we understand what our spouse is saying, and what they actually are intending on saying is something completely different. So you want to check in with them, and you may say something like, so what I'm hearing from you is X. Did I get that right? This is so important because it invites them into the opportunity to say, well, yeah, you got this part right, but this is the other part that I wanted to make sure that you heard and understood. All right? So next tip that I want to give you is active listening involves just that. Don't interrupt. Give your spouse an opportunity to get their full thought out before you jump in with what you want to say or what you want them to hear. Okay? Next thing is you want to be mindful of your body language. Now, what is body language? Body language is your tone, it's your eye contact, it's your gestures, it's all of the nonverbals that come up with communication. Now, let me give you an example. If I'm talking to you right now and I just turn around, you're over here and I just turn all the way around, it's communicating a message, right? What message is it communicating? It's communicating I'm not listening. There's something else over here that's more important than what you are actually saying. So I want to invite you to be mindful of your body language, your gestures. Are your arms folded like this? Because if your arms are folded like this, then it's communicating I'm upset right now. And so when your spouse responds to you in kind as though you are upset with them or resentful of them, then don't be surprised because your body language speaks much louder than you do. Okay? I hope you found these tips and strategies helpful. And if you would like to continue this work, I invite you to go to AtlantaCoupleTherapy.com and book an appointment with me today. Have an amazing rest of the day.